So we're going to start with tire brushes today. We're going to go through daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance on the brush. We're going to talk a little bit about how the brush operates, etc. So if you don't mind, just kind of walk me through the features and benefits of your brush.
Yeah, so daily what we want to do is we want to just keep an eye on the overall operation of the brush, right?
Okay.
Make sure everything's functioning correctly, right? Make sure that we've got the nozzles on the water manifold spraying correctly. Make sure that the foam wheels are good and secure to the brush, okay? So, and just make sure we don't see anything that looks out of place or out of sorts from when you originally received it.
Okay. So I know, on the Sonny's tire brush, we allow that motor to float a little bit. Are we doing the same with the PECO?
We sure are. Yeah, we sure are. Same thing here on the PECO unit as well. And we've got a torque block down there that takes that load. So you want to keep an eye on that torque block.
All right. So that's daily. We're just going to look at the operations. I assume the home position for the tire brush is retracted against the wall?
Yeah, so we always like to keep them in the retracted position. So, and then we bring them out to meet the vehicle when it gets there, right? So in the driver's side, usually right around 10 PSI. Passenger side, usually right around 15.
Okay.
So
we're adding more pressure to the passenger side because we got a longer way to go.
We got a longer brush, yep. A little bit more weight on it. Takes a little bit more pressure to push it against the vehicle. Yep.
Length of the brush is?
96 inches.
So an 8-foot tire brush?
Yes.
And this is, what kind of design is this brush in particular?
This is like our step brush, right? So it's 11-inch overall diameter.
Okay, so we're scrubbing wheel and tire here,
Yep,
correct?
wheel and tire, yep.
What's the purpose of scrubbing a black wall tire?
Boy, I like having a clean tire on a car. I think if a sidewall of a tire is clean, I think the whole vehicle looks clean. So I'm actually a big fan of these because of that.
All right, and we're also preparing it to accept tire dressing.
Well, 100%, right?